Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and in today's video I'm going to review some colored mascaras. And oh my gosh, it's been such a long time since I last used colored mascaras. I think I was 16 or 15. It was really trendy way back then, and lately neutral looks have been very famous, and I don't see a lot of people using colored mascaras, and actually I don't see anyone using colored mascaras anymore. My love for blue mascaras never died, and I always just try to go back and use blue mascaras every now and then. And I'm just gonna give you guys a fun fact about me. Back in college, I used to wear blue mascaras almost every day, and I was actually known for wearing blue mascaras every single day. When I think about it now, I was a little crazy. Literally every single day, I have blue lashes on, and some people have that impression of me that I'm a rocker girl or something like that. Excuse me, what was that? What's that? Towel? There's towel flying on my background everywhere. Personally, I don't want to limit myself by using only neutral colors. If you guys have been on my channel, you guys know that I love playing with colors, and I just love using colorful eye looks. So sometimes it's okay to step out of your comfort zone just because it's just makeup. You can take it off at the end of the day, and you will still have your black eyelashes, don't worry. The brand that I would like to talk about today is the X Dragon Color Mascara, and this is how they look like. And I did the Shopee or AliExpress makeup haul, and this is part of my haul. And I mentioned in the video that the packaging is very similar to the Christian Dior Dior Addict Extreme lipstick. As you can see, it's super similar, so I think this was inspired by Dior Addict lipstick. And I just want to mention that someone left a comment on that video, my AliExpress Shopee haul, saying that this lipstick is fake. She said something like, you know that lipstick is fake, right? She's trying to say that I'm showing products claiming that it's original even if it's fake. So I just want to say that I don't use fake products. I actually got this from Alabang Town Center, Rustans, and there's still a price here, as you can see. And honestly, I didn't use this too much at all because I just don't like the formula. It's off really fast. I have to retouch like 10 times. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the formula. I'm so in love with the packaging though. I mean, look at that. This definitely has weight, and this one has weight to it. Actually, it's almost the same material. Even though I have some high-end makeup in my collection, I just don't review them as much as I review a lot of affordable products, just because most of them don't work for me. And there's a construction outside. I'm sorry if you can hear that. I'll clarify that this is original, and I will never say anything in my videos that something is real even if it's fake. So moving on to the review. So here I have 4 colored mascaras, and actually one of them is just a backup. I got a backup of the blue one because I love blue mascaras, like I said, and it's so hard to get hold of a blue mascaras here in the Philippines. I know one that I got from Everbilena, this one, it's 110 pesos, and this is just since before they already have a blue mascara, so this is how their mascara looks like. But this is actually really good. This is the one I used when I was in college. It was in when will this construction stop? Really? Okay, so if you guys can hear drilling happening, it's just because there's a construction, but let's just try to ignore that for now. So I have 201, and I think this is the blue one, and then 05 and 04. So this is the blue one, and this is the applicator, and as you can see, it's really blue. And this applicator reminds me a lot of Maybelline mascaras and the one from CoverGirl. I'm very familiar with this applicator. So oh, it's actually really bendy as well, as you can see. So I think that is going to be easier to control, and it's not going to be too hard on your lashes. So okay, let's apply it right. Okay, I can see my lashes drooping down already, so it's not one of those that will hold curls. and kind of disappointed, but I'm just glad that it's blue. This is just the first coat of this mascara, and as you can see, it doesn't really show up yet. So it's for us to find out how many layers do you need. Second layer. It's not adding more length to my lashes or adding more volume. It's just coating my lashes with blue mascara. So that's basically what it's doing right now. I don't see any length or anything. Like, even if I try to work the product on the ends of my lashes, it just doesn't hold. Excuse me, I'm taking a video. This construction is really bothering me right now. I just heard some drilling right after I turned on my camera. Like, why is it happening all the time? Okay. Okay, so this is my third layer. More blue in real life than on camera, and I actually really like it. It's not super crazy, so it's still wearable. 05 is, I think, the green one. Oh no, it's the purple one. Is it purple? Yeah. It looks blue on camera for some reason. This is the blue one, it's the purple one. I don't know why it looks similar on camera. I'm gonna swatch it, maybe it will look different. I'm just going to apply the purple one on my lower lashes. I actually really love this purple shade. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but I can see the color in my mirror right now, so it's working, but like I said, it's not giving any length or volume. And to be honest, when I swatched it, the formula is a bit sheer. So that is probably why it's not really showing up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the other color and then just retouch the other colors. So I'm still gonna open this because I still haven't swatched this or anything. Is this a green one? Yeah. So it looks, yeah, it's green, but it's kind of an olive green. I really like it. It's not crazy. I don't want super bright color anyway. Okay, so since this is taking so much time, I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to retouch my mascara, all the colors, and I'm gonna do like 6 to 7 layers, and until it shows up, I'm not gonna stop so that you can see how it looks like. If you do like layers and layers of this, I'm not a big fan of this mascara, I can say that right away. Gosh, it took me like 1 million layers before I got this intensity and this thickness. But something I would like to say is that these mascaras are just colored mascaras. They don't claim to lengthen or volumize your lashes. Clearly, it didn't do that to my lashes. I'm just gonna show you guys the swatches. So this is the blue one, the purple one, and the green one. And I can see from the swatches that they're very sheer. It's like a gel formula with loose eyeshadows. I feel like with their formula, you can do it yourself at home. Just get a gel and then mix it with your blue eyeshadow or something like that. In my experience with mascaras, the longer you use it and the more you use it every day, the formula becomes more thicker, sticks on your lashes a lot better than when you first bought it. Just like my Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, when I got it the first time, it was like not sticking on my lashes much, not adding too much length or volume, but the more I use it, over time, the formula improves. I'm hoping that this is going to do the same with these mascaras because they're just too sheer. Like, it's gonna take a while for this to dry. You can't really close your eyes too much because it's going to transfer like it did here, but I already covered it with concealer. It's just too much for a colored mascara. I mean, it's really not easy to use. I just like the fact that they're colored mascaras, and also what's good about this brand is that they have so many different colors to choose from. And I know other brands just make green and blue, but this one has like pink, white, purple, blue, brown, and there's so much more. Like, they have black and brown as well, those more wearable ones. But I just wish that they improve on the formula, because it's actually like the packaging is great. I mean, I love the packaging, even though it's like pretty similar to the Dior Addict lipstick. I love the packaging. They can work on the packaging and everything else, but the thing that they really need to work on is the formula. I just wish that it's more long-lasting, waterproof. As if it's waterproof, it's going to hold curls. And I wish that the formula is more volumizing and lengthening, because it just doesn't add any length or volume to my lashes, which is kind of sad, because I was hoping for this to really work. You can see the blue is like the best. Blue is the one that is showing up more, but I'm gonna have to go near the camera so you can see. It's actually really blue. You guys can't even see the green one. Like, this is the green one, this is the purple. They both don't show up more, but I tried my best to apply as many layers as possible for it to show up, but this is the best that I can do for now. So I think that is it for my review. I don't recommend these for now until they improve the formula. If they're ever gonna release more colored mascaras with the new packaging, new formula, I have to get that and review it for you guys. But for now, that is my first impression. I'm not impressed. I don't recommend this. If you guys want something that works more, if you guys are a fan of blue mascara, go ahead and try the Ever Belena. I'm not really sure if this is still available, but this one really adds volume. Formula of this is like more professional. It works. Just add more layers, because this one I added like 7 layers already and it doesn't show up at all. So, but this one, I really like this one. It's a local brand support. That is it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye!